Ebusuya sabri de Dikin Kwabena Edu Boahene, former National Signal Bureau Director, sabri de 49 million Ghana cedis won sem essence and komu no. National security and I say Yoko remanding no. I will release no. He has been rearrested. Say, hey, Ebusuya, we appoint here. Now I don't know because Saban is son was so between ISC because for the past few months, Yakobia, na so I see power Ghana, Dikin Kwabena Edu Boahene, Sabi de Busia, ya de court, na ya remanded no, bail conditions, na why and some teze, and yasam ketwa, no be ourselves cross Sunday, a pistol by two gua, check you says it can be for her, and a big call parliamentary select committee, a big call opposition parties, one be dinner another day, but still now 702 inquiry. De Busia, Sabi the lawyer for them by embattled Dikin Kwabena Edu Boahene, lawyer Atta-Akyea, and the same year to go about the current situation of his client, Ebusuya, enye asema abroa ebo ejiso. It's a basic reactions, and I say in Chimwa, lawyer for Dikin Kwabena Edu Boahene, former NSB director, no, order to go about the current state of the state versus Kwabena Edu Boahene. Ebusuya, yanko tie, the enti ayasan actually ni biom. And I say when the to enya entry.
The judge, at the last sitting, the judge ordered that he should have his freedom yesterday. And they said they have another matter that they are investigating concerning him. So when he was supposed to have his freedom, by their calculation, they released him midnight and then rearrested him on the basis of the newfound matters they were looking at. But the question is, in the period in which he had the freedom, why didn't they deal with the matter? And they'll leave it till midnight and rearrest him. Is somebody very excited, incarcerating another Ghanaian with all manner of tactics will aid justice. And that is unfortunate.
So is he in the custody of Yoko right now?
He's come back to Yoko, and I'm going there now for me to come to terms with what is the new matter. Was a new issue, you see, because he's been there all this while, and if there were serious matters of consequence, and he's on bail, huge bail, 80 million Ghana cedis bail, he's living nowhere. Edu Boahene's name and that of Angela, they are all over the nation, our borders and our airports. They are going nowhere. So I believe that we should come clean that this is not a personal vendetta. This is a man that you believe you have some criminal case against, and give him space to defend himself. And give him also the freedom that now the Supreme Court has decided that there's no case which is not bailable, including murders. Provided always they will exact on you conditions for you to appear before the court to defend yourself. So I do not think we are going to rewrite the criminal jurisprudence of Ghana because of one man.
This first arrest, does it include the wife and the third accused person?
I am not sure, who are involved, and I'm going to find out from them what it entails, then I'll be able to address it.
Even though the matter in which he's been arrested for?
I've been hinted that it relates to secured internet services for the benefit of another state institution, the Ghana Water Company. That national security provided them with gadgets and well-meaning things so that if you are even in Europe, you'll be able to see the pipes, whether they are not being tampered, because national security surmise that water is a national security matter. When your water is polluted, it will affect the entire nation.
So, Council, last week, a leaked letter that Edu Boahene authored was released in the public domain. How does that, from the details of that letter, how does that affect your case?
Well, it was unfortunate that it leaked, because the letter was intended for the National Security Coordinator, in which he was trying to let him know that where he is, national security matters are being raised. And he should come to terms with it. That's what he was trying to do. He was not saying that is afraid to defend himself by saying that they are pushing him in areas of national security, and when pushed to come to shove, he has to defend himself. And somebody will turn around that why is a national security intelligence officer trying to bring into the public domain national security matters when he's sworn an oath. So you swear an oath, the national security will not come to your aid, so you go to jail. That would be unfortunate. Right. It will be a tragedy that cannot be calculated. So that was the intent of the letter. The letter was not supposed to come into the public domain. He wrote to the coordinator, the successor national security coordinator, to look into the matters which, unfortunately, Attorney General and Yoko are pushing. Are they pushing national security matters into the public domain? And if you should respond to those matters, are they not going to tell?
And it's a business I bring there. Somebody can we appoint here. And I show here because Ghana Hano. And so I also oh freedom, but so 1 to 2 no way there. Abanse samba also be sepa. It is I bring there. Dikin kwabene do Boahene. Say enye easy man cry. Busuya chire wage no fast answer me ho. Is it political witch hunting? Some people will tell me it as political witch hunting because it seems the approach that is being used, and yes, I'm Ketua. In Tebusia, Sabri de Diki Kwabena Boahene, assigned arresting after he was remanded. There's a. So I give the comment section. But that's it. Bye bye.